Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be sharing this meat grinder with you guys and just telling you guys a little bit about it. This meat grinder is going to be so much easier than the old manual grinders. It's going to be a lot less work. You're not going to get tired out using this thing. This thing is literally just going to be a lifesaver, you guys. I'm so excited to have this because we process our own deer from start to finish. So this is going to help us make our own hamburger without having to take it to somebody else, and it's going to be so much less work than a manual grinder, and I am so excited about this, you guys. I also appreciate that it has other functions, like you can grate some cheese with it. It has an attachment for making sausage with it. It just has so many other functions than just grinding meat, you guys. This is going to be a super versatile kitchen appliance for you guys, and I know that you guys are going to love it. I'm going to introduce all of the different parts and accessories to you guys, and then I'm going to grind up some meat to show you guys how easy this is to use. All right, so first up we have an attachment to make Kubbe, and then some other things that it comes with is a food pusher so you can safely push the food down without getting your fingers. And then we have our cutting and slicing attachments for like shredding up cheese and everything. And then we have some grinding plates. There's one in there already. And then we also have the cutting plates. There is also one inside of it already. And then we have a couple more accessories that also go with the cutting and slicing attachment. This is one of them here. And then this is the second piece that just puts all of the cutting and slicing pieces together to, like I said, like grate cheese and other things like that. This is, again, that piece to make sausage, the sausage attachment. So it's really nice that it comes with that. That's pretty cool. And then this is the hopper plate. This is what the food goes inside of. And then you've got like the locking knob. It also is suction cupped to the bottom, so you won't have to worry about it like moving around or falling over or anything while you're using it. So that's really nice as well. And then these are the on and off buttons, and I'm just going to plug it in and show you guys how well it works. All right, you guys, so you're going to want to make sure you have a dish down here to catch all of the meat, of course. I'm going to set all of my chopped meat up here. I do like that with this meat grinder, you don't have to like chop up your meat into like teeny tiny little pieces. You probably will want to chop it up a little bit, but you won't have to spend most of your time chopping up the meat. So I think that's going to be super helpful as well. I am going to turn it on and I will show you guys how well it works. So I am recording this in real time so you guys can see how fast the meat grinds up. I have one chicken breast in here, and as you guys can see, it is grinding it up very quickly, and it is all flowing out very smoothly as well. The whole process took no time at all. It was super easy to set up and super easy to grind the meat. I just took the meat pusher and scraped the excess off. And just like that, you guys, the meat grinder ground up this entire chicken breast in no time at all. Like I said, this is going to save you guys so much time. Instead of using those manual meat grinders, it just does it all on its own. And then it's super easy to take apart to wash. We'll just take that off. And then there's a button up here that we can press to release this. And then we can just twist and pull that off. And then all of the inner attachments just twist off and come off super easy. And just make for a super easy clean, you guys. Everything comes out so nicely, so it can easily be cleaned and washed. And you won't have to worry about any food or gunk being stuck inside of there. Well, you guys, I really liked this meat grinder. As I said, it ground up that chicken so fast, and it was just so much easier than a manual grinder. I cannot stop thinking and talking about how great this meat grinder is. It's going to save you guys so much time in the long run buying this meat grinder. It's really inexpensive for a lot of electric meat grinders. It comes with all of the different parts and pieces. It's very versatile, and all of the parts and pieces come off so easy, and it makes for such an easy cleanup, you guys. Everything about this meat grinder is absolutely fantastic, and you guys are definitely going to want to grab one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.